Okay, so, Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I'm continuing on night 2. I tried this about 5 minutes ago, screamed my head off because a freaking Foxy jumping at me from out of nowhere. So, let's get started. Not looking forward to this one. Really not. Not looking forward to Foxy's bull. Do 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 dee do. Anytime now. Do 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 do. Honk honk. Shut up. Alright, I'm in a metal death trap. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Let's just wind up the music box before things get bad. Nothing to worry about comes squeaking Freddy's nose. That is my calming technique of this game. Squeak Freddy's nose. Okay, all three of them are there. It's Bonnie I'm worried about. Okay, what I am. Everything's going fine. Oh, there's Foxy up there. Or New Foxy, or whatever you call it. Let's not wake the marionette. That light, that light, that light, that light, that light, that light twice. That light, that light, that light, that light. I feel like nothing's happening this time. Like, plain nothing. Hello. Hello? Please don't do that. It scares me. No. Not that music. Of all the music. Ooh, just shine the light at you a little. I know you don't like the light. Come on, Foxy. The guy on the phone said you didn't like the light. Leave. Okay, he's leaving. Hopefully. Hi. Oh no. Oh, Foxy. Oh, Foxy. Why Mr. Foxy. Oh, hey Chica. How are you? I personally enjoy you. I like your face with the whole hand a cupcake thing. Oh no, not the marionette. Don't let him wake up. Please. Hi. Hi, Freddy. Honk your nose, Freddy. And you're not gonna do a thing about it. I have a mask. Hi. Oh, what? Oh. Uh. Do, do. Come here, Marionette. Where do you think you're going? I catch you, Mary. Onette. What? What is that? Okay, well, that made no sense, but, I did not succeed. So, that's it for this episode, I guess. See you next time when I fail at Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want. I'm, gonna go look at pictures, puppies, so I don't have to think of this ever again.